you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you guys how to make a delicious holiday treat, M&M Chocolate Cookies. So if you guys like this video or are liking my other videos, go ahead to give it a thumbs up. And so without further ado, let's get on to the video. The ingredients we will be needing today are 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of light brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and of course your mini M&Ms, and you will be needing 1½ cups. I went ahead and softened my butter, that way it is easier to mix, and I'm going to add that right into my mixing bowl. Oh, wow! That was a thick slap. Next, add your granulated sugar and also your brown sugar into the bowl, and we're going to give that a good mix. Turn it on to a medium speed, and then gradually go up to a higher speed. Once it has reached a kind of nice fluffy texture, we're gonna add in our 2 eggs and our vanilla and give that another good mix. Next, grab a separate bowl and a colander, and we're gonna sift our flour and cocoa powder, and also your cocoa powder, your salt, and your baking powder. Or was it baking soda? I don't know. Wow, cocoa powder is some strong stuff. Go ahead and give your dry ingredients a quick mix just to incorporate those few items. Just like so. Alright, once we've incorporated our dry ingredients, go ahead and add it into your wet ingredients, and then we're gonna give it a mix. Well, I think we done messed up. That was good though. Alrighty, once it is incorporated, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And next is the fun part. We are going to be adding in our mini M&Ms into this mixture. Satisfying. I have one of these small little ice cream scoopers that I'm going to use to scoop my batter and place them. That way they are a nice size of a cookie, you know what I mean? Alright, once you've scooped out all of your cookie dough onto your cookie sheets, go ahead and pop them into your preheated oven and let them bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Alright you guys, I finished these M&M chocolate cookies, and now I'm going to give them a nice little taste test. They taste like brownies with M&Ms, but in a cookie form. They are so good. I hope you guys give this cookie a try. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys have ever tried making these cookies before and how they turn out for you. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching!